Well, today we're actually at our house. Look at this. They've dug up the, there's the water, and they've dug this up today. And then they sent the mole under here, up to this place here, outside the garage. That was all dug up. And then they sent the mole along here to where they've reconcreted here. And what they're doing is, if you have a look here, they are fitting in all plastic pipes, and it goes into the house there, and it goes into the toilet there, and they've got the barrier up so we don't fall in, and it covers themselves. So that's where we're at. They've got all the stuff here, and tomorrow they're going to do the final bit and join up. So what more can we say? There's the rather short video of what they've been up to, and so thank you for watching, and bye for now from Coventry, UK.